Hi, my name is Rudie. Today we are going to make Miso Glazed Salmon on rice. First we are going to use 2 cups of rice. This cup usually works with my rice cooker. If you lost this plastic cup, you can use 1 cup instead. And I usually do this. It's a little less than 1 cup. Next, we are going to wash the rice twice. This is fun. Next, we are going to pour all of the water, but do not pour any of the rice. Next, we are going to do the same thing again. Next, we are going to fill up the water to the 2-cup line. Once when you got your water to the right level, you are going to put it in the rice cooker. We have 4 things: sugar, Mirin, soy sauce, and miso. We're going to have one big spoon of miso. Next, we are going to put some mirin. I maybe need to put. Next, we are going to use the small spoon for the sugar. That right measure. Next, we are going to use 1 small spoon of soy sauce. We're going to mix this together, and then we are going to cut the salmon into 1/2. Next, we are going to marinate the fish for 15 minutes. We're also going to get the sides, not just the top. Next, we are going to put the salmon in your fridge for 15 minutes. Next, we are going to put the salmon in your small oven for 10 to 12 minutes. It was broiled for 12 minutes. Now we are going to just put the salmon on your rice that you made. Let's try it! That's good.